let's work on the full welding of this now. So I think I should add this now. Thanks to God, Almighty God, a successful job today. So remember that we're still going to have a lot of grazing on this job. A lot of grazing, which is really going to make it to be very, very strong. So guys, I think we're able to go now. Oh, so for example now, let me look for what I'm going to use for an example on this project now. So let's say now we are actually moving. The reason why I mounted it here now, let's say I'm actually on motion now, and the car is okay. Let's say this is the front bumper of the car, and you wanted to hit me, no matter how the car looks like, it will actually come like this. You can see here. It's going to be limited here. That is the reason why this angle is here. But as it means this is flat, so once it's hit, it will affect the camera. And no matter how terrible it's really going to be, that is the reason why you see I brought out this iron at the front here, and the camera is inside while this iron is outside. So another bolt is still going to go down to it like this. Although I've not gotten the down part of it that is going to support it. It's still going to go like this to reinforce the camera very well, for you not to have any effect on any. So guys, we just finished the mounting of the reverse camera. As you can see, the insulative aspect of it, all this metal are the insulative aspect of it, so that even if there is a hit from the back, which the possibility of someone jamming me from the back is too low. The possibility is too low. So That's the excess of those metal that you see, and those bolts and all that is holding it. So the camera is actually in between these two, like is actually in between these bolts now. So there's no harm that is really gonna affect the camera at all. So although I'm still really gonna find a way to like cover it up because of rain, even though it's actually a water resistant. So please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please I would like you to remember to subscribe for us. We really still have a long way to go on this job. So you can see the inner part of it now. So there I have my 2 speedometer on the car. I have 2 speedometers on the car, and this is the second one, and this is the Android. This is the Android for the camera, and you can also use it to play sound system because it's really gonna have a sound system. So that is the Android. You can see the volume, the reverse, the home, the power off. You know, everything is actually intact on it. So let's go to the back. Let me show you the whole wiring of it, which my rewire is still come back to do some job on it for me. So you can be able to access with the reversing gear. So because you have to do the wiring, connecting it with the reversing gear light and the main gear, which is the last gear, which is for the reverse. Because this is a bike engine I'm using, but since every bike engine is about, I think CG is about 5 gears. So the last gear that is meant to be on this engine now is now being converted to reverse. So the car has 4 gears now. So the other one is meant to be is now reverse. So at the back of the car, at the front, although I still don't know the kind of dashboard I'm really going to use for it now, but as we proceed on, I will still be thinking of what I'll be doing to it. So you can see the back of the Android. The whole wires is out there for the sound system, everything. You can see all the whole wires. Although the wire is still going to be connecting it with you can see the GPS too. So it has all of this. So my wire is still going to be connecting this one with my sound system, which is my woofer that is still going to be on the car. So please remember, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please I would like you to subscribe. Okay, because this year we are really going to hit the sum of 1 million subscribers. Over 1 million subscribers. I really don't know how it's really going to happen, but I believe that we are really going to get to that stage of 1 million subscribers. So the car is still very rough now, but as time goes on, we'll find a way to put everything in place. So thank you very much. Thank you. I love you all. Remember to subscribe. Thank you guys.